everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine, and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. Today's video, I'm going to go over and across the floor combo. So this one uses Drawbacks Cincinnatis, and then you can either do it as a cramp roll, pullback, or even a wing, which I haven't gone over wings yet, but you could do it as a wing. So nice and simple. You're going to start with 4 drawbacks. Let me show you back view from here. So starting with 4 drawbacks, when I start my drawbacks, I like to start with a step. Some people prefer to start with a spank, but I always like to start with a step. So from here, 4 drawbacks starting on your right. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're going to put in your Cincinnatis, 1 on the right, and then 1 on the left. And then you're going to restart your 4 drawbacks, starting on your right foot again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then to finish it off, you can either go step, step. So there's a few different options here. You can either go step, step, pull back, step, step. I like to do a double pullback because it sounds better than the singles do with it. So I prefer a double pullback. So from here, step, step. You can either do 1, step, step, or you can go step, step, 2 pullbacks. Or you can do a mix of a pullback and a cramp roll. Or you can do a mix of maybe some wings. Or 2 wings. Or a wing into a cramp roll. So there's like I said, there's lots of different options. And you can even switch it up. So if you have your students going across the floor using this one, maybe one week do it as a pullback, one week do it as a wing, maybe do a mix of a pullback and a cramp roll. So it's up to you. Whatever you need to work on that week, this is a great way to insert that into your technique work. So from here again, we're going to have, starting from the top again, I like to do mine as step, double pullback, step, step. So that's what I'm going to show you here. But like I said, you can do it any way you want it. So from here, you're going to start your drawbacks again. 4 of them, then 2 Cincinnatis, 4 drawbacks, and then your pullback, cramp roll, wing variation. Okay, let's give that a try. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now Cincinnati, back to drawback, and then you're ready to go to start again on your right. So unfortunately, this doesn't switch from right to left. It doesn't alternate, but that's okay because once you get to the other side, then you'll just switch to the left side. I forgot to mention that all of these steps will be, links would be in my description box below. So if you don't know a drawback, a Cincinnati, pullback, cramp roll, unfortunately I haven't gone over wing yet, but if you're advanced and you do know wings, I don't have a video going over that. But if you don't know any of those steps, I will link my videos to those in the description box below. Okay, so if you wanted to switch it to left side, now you're going to start with your left foot. So left foot's going to start those drawbacks, and you're going to go 1, 2, 3, then 4. Now the Cincinnati also starts on your left, then right, back to your drawback starting on the left, and then from here, I don't have enough space going this way, but from here you can do again your pullback, your cramp roll, your wing variation. So I'm going to switch to my left side double pullback now, go step, step, double pullback, step, step. So it's a good way to work on your right side and your left side, but separately, and not get too confused with having to do them like in the same stretch across the floor. So let's try that again. Just the left side. I'm going to show you side view here. Here we go. Left side. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then step, step. Okay. Say you want to do it faster. I'm going to do right side again. Nice and fast. You can take the tempo up. You can have your students do at their own comfort level, whatever you feel like you want to do, okay? So take the tempo up for more advanced. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. And you can see I'm moving backwards slightly, but since I have such a small board, I can't move backward as much as I would if I were going across the floor. So obviously, you wouldn't be staying in place with those drawbacks. That's not what we're practicing here. We're just practicing moving across the floor. So you would take bigger steps. You would go here. And then you see I've already run out of board. So when you take bigger steps, it gets you further across the floor, which is what we're practicing here. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.